Suppose someone takes sand or sawdust and makes a morsel out of it, puts it in the mouth, masticates it, and puts it down the throat. Do you think he'll achieve the objective? Will he achieve the health? Will he live? So there are associated things required with that. Similarly, with fasting, besides abstaining from food, drink, and sex from dawn to sunset, there are other things required along with it, which we discussed earlier, things encouraged, things which are recommended, etc. Abstain from things which are discouraged to achieve the main objective. There may be some people who may do the right things, or there are things, for example, the food that you eat, it should be healthy. If you make a morsel out of a food which is junk food, which is not hygienic, and then if you have, you won't achieve the objective, you won't achieve good health. Or maybe a person has healthy food, he makes a morsel out of it, puts it in his mouth, masticates it, chews it, puts it down the throat. But after some time, he puts his finger in his throat and vomits out. So will he achieve the objectives of eating, that is health? Not at all. Similarly, to achieve the objective, you have to have the ancillary things. Besides abstaining from food, drink, and sex, abstain from false actions, false speech. And if you vomit out, the whole purpose is defeated.